So children, now we will discuss the life cycle of a frog. Like butterflies, frog also undergoes many changes from egg to develop into a frog. A female frog lays eggs in the ponds. These eggs float on the surface of the water. The group of eggs is called spawn. After some time, the egg hatched and baby frogs called tadpoles comes out of the eggs. They look like fishes. वो fishes की तरह ही नज़र आते हैं. They develop gills to breathe in the water like fishes. You know that the fishes breathe through gills in water like fishes. Frogs also, the baby frogs also breathe through the gills in the water. This most of the time they spend their time eating plants and continue to grow for several weeks. After few weeks the gills begin to disappear and they develop limbs and lungs to breathe in outside the water. You know that the land animals, they breathe through the lungs, and the lungs develop in frogs. The tail becomes smaller and smaller and disappears, and then it hop out of the water and comes on land to live and breathe through lungs like land animals. Children, you can see the life cycle of frogs, silkworm, honeybees. These are the specimens kept in our biolab. We will visit biolab and see all these specimens. Children, the young ones of the animals have different names. You can see on your page number 42 in your book, the pictures of animals and their young ones are given. You can see that the baby of elephant is called calf, the baby of fish is called fry, the baby of duck is called duckling, the baby of hen is called chick, the baby of cow is called calf. In this way, babies of animals have different names. Children, like us, animals also need space to live in. We need a house to live in to protect us from heat, cold, rain, and wild animals. Animals also need space to live in. They live at different places. Some wild animals live in natural caves or dens. Mole burrows a hole in the ground and live there. Snakes live in tunnels made by rats and ants. Birds make their own nest. Elephant, giraffe live under the shade of big trees. Ant make big ant hills with many tunnels, so they live at different places. So children, this is all about chapter number 5, reproduction in animals.